Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought a new updates regarding Ph.D. admission in the Dhirubhai Ambani group. They have given notification for Ph.D. admission at DAIICT is possible through two channels. These are Ph.D. regular and Ph.D. rolling. This is the apply link. Submission of online application form commences on throughout the year. Review of submitted application form at 28th of October 2022. Presentation and interview will be on 4th of November. Then result will be published on 9th of November. Commencement of classes will be later. Now, under the Ph.D. rolling admission, applications are invited throughout the year and will be reviewed on quarterly basis. Our goal is to encourage well-motivated applicants with a clear sense of the research area and topic. Okay, this is the motive for all. Ph.D. rolling admission is conducted quarterly in academic year, tentative in the month of March, June, September, and December. Admission in this program is also possible through PhD regular category. For more details, please visit here. Okay. Okay. This is the program overview. You can apply. They have not given. Conducted twice in an academic month prior to autumn semester and other. PhD rolling. Same program overview. They have not given detailed program structure. Also, detailed program structure, academic requirement and comprehensive examination information can be found here. Okay, I am clicking it here. You can apply here in engineering in ICT discipline, science and mathematics, humanity, social sciences and design category, regular category. There is a duration 3 years from time of first semester registration during his or her coursework and research work carried out at the institute. Second category, part-time category, external part-time category. Program structure, students have 3 to 6 years to complete all the academic requirement related to PhD program. Program comprises of course and research work. Number of courses one has to undergo depends on students' educational background. Okay. This is the intake for everything. Academic requirement of PhD program, admission, then you have to complete your coursework, then comprehensive examination, then after that you have to do your experimental work or your PhD work, then synopsis submission, then thesis submission, thesis examination, then defense of your thesis. Okay. Stipend and fellowship. Under PhD rolling scheme, candidate should have some form of fellowship or a sponsorship at the time of application. Means if you have any project, then it's good for you. However, financial support in the form of teaching assistantship, research assistantship as per prevailing rules of DAIICT will be provided to all those who are not able to avail GRF, SRF or AGC net or financial assistance or stipend. How to apply? This is the link. You have to click on that. This is the application fee 1200 and total 1416. I am clicking on this. This is the important instruction. For eligibility criteria, you can click on this. Now you register. Then you fill all the details and then register. After that you will get one login ID. By your login ID you have to log in and fill all the rest part. Since I am not applying, so I am not giving all the registration information. What about the fellowship? You can check here. I have given this one. Okay. I am going back. Here also they have not given. Yeah, this is the IT server. So here in this you will get the fellowship information. These are the departments: mathematics and natural sciences. You can go for mathematics, physical science, computational science. In arts, humanities and social sciences, you can go for English, history, anthropology, comparative literature, philosophy and design. This is the fellowship, 28,000 per month till the end of semester, in which the candidate clears the comprehensive examination. After comprehensive clearance, you will get for the first 2 years 31,000 per month. For the next 2 years 35,000. Okay. That's all about today's update. Subscribe the channel if you are visiting my channel first time. Thank you. Have a nice day.